Chaos is on its way in the form of a tornado tag match. For this bout, it'll be Shawn Michaels and Triple H. And standing across from them is a very tough test with Scott Hall and Kevin Nash.
Expect the unexpected, gentlemen. That's the name of the game when it comes to tornado tag team matches. Non-stop action, a non-stop melee, really.
No way of being disqualified tonight, so who knows what we'll end up seeing.
If we're lucky, we are going to see some truly innovative violence. I just hope the damage isn't too long-lasting for these competitors. Oh, he's just baiting his opponent now.
Returning back to the ring.
With that kendo stick. Solid bit of defense on his part there.
Put into the corner. What could be next? In the corner. And an elbow for good measure.
Takedown. And now punches right.
And another blow after blow here. Getting nasty, man. Quick sidestep by Kevin Nash. Stirring back to his feet. But he might not know where he is. Matt
From the middle rope. Oh, what a splash.
Came down like a lead balloon.
and able to evade the offense.
Oh my God, a clothesline.
And he manages to escape just in the nick of time.
And now he gets back into the ring. Ooh, great anticipation.
Oh, an echoing jump.
Sidewalk slam. Scott Hall clearly feels like he has a W within his grasp. That scary look in his eyes, fixated on the opposition.
A little disrespect directed Hall's way there.
Yeah, HBK teaching a lesson or two.
Kevin Nash sets up his opponent.
Big power pop in. Michael's shoulders are down. No, he gets the shoulder up. How? Look at that insult to injury with that one. Double axe handle. Taking the action to the outside.
Might be taking a breather here.
Has retrieved the kendo stick, and I can already feel the future welts forming. And now trying all he can to fight out of this predicament.
Targeting the arm now.
Using that barricade with great effect.
Knee drop. And now gets tossed into the ring.
A sound suplex.
He gets back into the ring. This music!
Are you kidding me?
And the cover
with the exclamation point.
And there's the winning team. What a whirlwind.
Here are your winners. The team of Shawn Michaels and Triple H.
tag team chemistry in full effect with these two superstars.
Taking on multiple opponents simultaneously is no easy task, but these two really took it in stride.